Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds from 3DGameMan.com. And remember, if you have a question for me, head on over to 3DGameMan.com and post it in the forum. This next question is, get a second card like my first or save money for a better card. Now, this person's talking about video cards, and that's a fantastic question. It's a dilemma, isn't it? What to do? You have one video card right now, which you spent your hard-earned money on, and you can either get another one and do, if it's an NVIDIA product, SLI, or if it's an AMD product, Crossfire. Or you can replace the card with a faster video card. So, add another one to do SLI or Crossfire, if your motherboard supports it, or get a single video card, a better one, next generation one, that will probably be as fast or faster than having two slower cards, in a multiple configuration. Well, if your motherboard supports SLI or Crossfire, depending upon what video card you're going with, then I'd say go with a multiple setup, because it will probably be cheaper now to buy that second card. Prices have dropped on that card since you bought the first one, so go that option. But that is only if your motherboard supports it. If it doesn't, you have no choice than to go with, another video card, a single video card, or maybe your motherboard. Maybe you have a motherboard that will only support Crossfire, and you went with a NVIDIA product and you can't do SLI. So in that case, you'll have to go ahead and sell or get rid of your older card and buy a faster, newer card. So I hope this answers your question, and keep your questions coming. Remember, if you have a question for me, head on over to 3dgameman.com and post it in the forum.